Hey team, Karl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is pretzels. Like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Is only moments away, but first some more dancing with Bruno.
Okay, so to start, we'll need 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. We're going to mix this all together in a blender, or you can hand mix your dough if you're up for that. We're also going to need some butter, salt flakes, and 8 cups of water, and 1/4 cup of baking soda. So get that ready and just set it to one side. So once you've mixed your dough, give it a knead. And from there, pop it in a bowl and allow it to rise for around 30 minutes. Once this has risen, doesn't need to rise massively like the usual bread dough. Give it a quick little knead again and split it into 8 portions. Now with your 8 cups of water, they need to go into a pot alongside your 1/4 cup of baking soda and bring this to a simmer. Whilst this is happening, you can set your oven to 180 degrees C.
That's 8! 8 hoorays!
While waiting for the water to come up to temperature, we can shape out our pretzels. First of all, we're going to roll the balls into a shape that's like a sausage.
Sausage.
Long sausage. And then we're going to tie them into knots. We'll drop these into the water and we'll poach them for about 30 seconds each side, and then we'll place them in a lined baking tray after that. From there, we're going to melt a little bit of butter, give them a brush, and sprinkle on some salt flakes. Pop them in the oven for around 15 minutes or until golden brown. While your pretzels are in the oven, we can make a little honey mustard dip for them. Mix together 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 2 tablespoons of mild English mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of mayo with a pinch of salt. Now we're good to serve.
You want to try a pretzel?
Pretzel-tastic.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
You could describe this show in one sentence. Can anybody give me one sentence?
Worst piece of crap I have ever seen.